In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the Isopure Zero Carb Protein Banana Cream flavor. My name is Neyfi Del Rosario and I am a holistic nutritionist here in New York City, and in this channel I discuss everything about nutrition, fitness and exercise that will help you melt the fat off. And if you're into that, please consider subscribing. My mission is to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition. I know it's been a while that I have done a protein review. I've been doing gains in the gym, now I put a shirt on and it's tighter than usual. I'm like, oh, I'm making gains, right? But some of you guys requested this one, which is the Isopure Banana Cream Protein, right? And the first thought that comes to my mind is like, banana is not a common fruit that you would see in a protein powder flavor. So I was really curious to try it out and show you guys. The first thing that comes into mind is that Isopure makes very low calorie protein. This protein right here only has 100 calories per scoop, and each scoop is 31 grams, right? And every 31 gram is 25 grams of protein. And what that lets me know is that because it's so low in calories and so high in protein, Isopure does not add extra sugars or extra fat to make the protein taste better, right? If you compare to protein powders that are 200 or 300 calories, they taste very good because they have a lot of protein varieties, a lot of sugar and a lot of fat, and that increases the calorie amount, and the more calories that it has is gonna taste better. But because this is so low in calories, it's ideal for cooking and to adding into recipes, because unless you're trying to bulk, you don't want your protein powder to add a ton of calories into your meal. This protein powder is only whey protein isolate, which doesn't have a lot of lactose, and if you're lactose intolerant, you may get away with this, but I will not recommend it anyways because whey comes from milk. Also, there will be a link down to Amazon if you guys decide to check out this protein powder. But so far so good. Let's go mix it up and see how we can make this protein powder. Like always, I have my scale so I can measure everything and be as accurate as I can. And like every other Isopure protein, you need 6 to 8 ounces of water with 31 grams of protein into my water bottle. So let's get 8 ounces of water into there. Now that I have 8 ounces of water into my water bottle, we're gonna take 31 grams of protein and put it into my water bottle. Yes, this protein powder smells like banana and the scoop is pretty small, so I can use it in my water bottle. So let's get 31 grams into it. Don't worry guys, I'm a professional protein shaker. As always guys, I got a glass so I can show you guys the consistency of this protein powder so you guys have an idea how well this protein powder mixes. Ooh, okay. That looks like banana milk. I think that's the point. Oh, okay, I see a lot of splashing in there. Hopefully everything's mixed up. Everything looks very well mixed. Like every other Isopure protein powder I have tried, they all mix really well. So that is a very good positive. So let's go taste it and tell you what I think about the flavor. I'm back with the Isopure Zero Carb Protein Banana Cream, and it does look like banana cream, I'm not gonna lie. So let's taste it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so like I said before, the flavor is not the most amazing flavor you ever taste from a protein powder, but being 100 calories and no extra sugars or fat to make it taste better, it's not bad. It's not horrible. It's an okay protein. Something they can improve on is like if this protein was a little bit sweeter. For example, if I go to my kitchen and I add 2 packets of Splenda into this, it's gonna make it taste better if you drink it. But because this protein is so low in calories, I wouldn't be afraid to use this in recipes like pancakes or French toast or like ice cream, where you're gonna be adding your own flavor and your own sugars and stuff, because you can add your own flavor to this and make it taste way better. So this is not as good as something like a BSN, strawberries or anything, because if you think about it, banana is not a very exciting fruit, right? I don't think the majority of people will tell you, oh, banana is my favorite fruit. Yeah, banana is a very common fruit. It's very convenient to eat and everybody eats it, but it doesn't have like the pizzazz and the taste of like a strawberry or like a watermelon or like a mango. If this was a mango, it would be a very exciting protein powder, but because it's banana, it's a very plain flavor, right? It's not very strong, not very sweet, very good to cook with. Because it's low in calories, they're not hiding anything to you, adding extra flavors to make it taste better. That's a very good thing. I'll give this protein powder a solid 6.8, 6.9, right? And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and notification bell, because I'll be making more videos like this to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition. And if you want to learn something new, here are 2 videos on the screen where you can learn something new right now. I love every single one of you. You guys, I'm coming out with the next book, so check it out when it comes out. I'll let you know, guys.